Hello you lot, welcome back to the channel and another episode all about this little car. In this episode I'm going to check out the left rear brake. I've not got time to take the wheel off, so I'm going to put the car up in the air and have a look at the brake on the back of the car. Right, rather than get my jack out, I've bought myself a handy little thing, primarily to use on the front of the car because I can't get the jack under the front of the car. It's basically too low, so I'm having to put it on blocks, or rocks as I should say. So I bought a couple of these. I tried to get them at a well-known auto accessory shop, but I managed to find these for about £20 cheaper. Exactly the same thing. Yeah, about £20 cheaper, and they said it would take over a week to arrive, and it literally took 2 days. So I was quite impressed with that. As you may be able to detect, it's very windy, so yeah, let's see what I can do. Bit difficult to cut and film, but you should always cut away from yourself, not like I'm doing. Bit naughty. But yeah, they're only very, very low ramps, like so. They only raise the car a little bit. But the idea is, obviously when I use them on the front, it just gives me that little bit of allowance to get the jack under the car. Because I've not got a shallow jack. My jack's quite retro. And these were a lot cheaper than buying a new jack. Anyway, let's get them under the back of the car, reverse back up and lift the car up a little bit, just so I can have a look, like I say, behind there. Here we go. Like I say again, you'll have to excuse the wind, but my tyres are and wheels are a little bit wide, but as I say, when I do it on the front, which is the purpose, it will allow me to get my jack under the car. But I just want to put my mat down and have a quick look. As I say, I'm not taking the wheel off or taking the caliper off. I'm just having a quick look behind to see why it keeps dragging. It's done it since I've owned the car, but it only does it when you go backwards. Yeah, so I'm not too sure. Right, let's get my mat down and have a quick look underneath. Well, I've got my mats in place. These are a newest purchase. I've got a whole set of them. I've got my little torch and I've got my brake cleaner, because I figured I would just give it a clean and hopefully we can get up and have a look. As I thought, I'm not going to be able to see much because the rear brake guard's there. Fair enough. I'm just wondering if I can actually spray some cleaner in the caliper itself and see what it does, because maybe it is just a build up of dirt. Good opportunity to have a look under the rest of the car, because I'm going to have to undo all this soon to get my new suspension on and other bits, although I've not ordered them yet. I have started speaking to somebody. Yeah, so let's give that a soak. I say, it's probably not going to be very effective because I'm on the back, and I will probably have to take the wheel off, which I don't really want to do today. Yeah, let's have a nose around. I mean, actually the caliper looks really clean. I was understood that the car had new calipers and discs just before I bought it, which could explain the slight vibration I've got on the front. But yeah, let's have a look-see. Well, I've given the caliper and disc a good spray from this side. It's not pitted or anything, and the pads look quite good, but as I say, I haven't got time to take the wheel off today, so that's as best as I can do. I think I'll take it off my new little mini ramps and have another investigation at another time. Oh well, as I say, a very short video this week. The weather's definitely on the turn, temperature's gone through the floor again. Yeah, and I'm out in my shorts with my pasties out. So yeah, I'll have to bring back everybody on this video, see what's going on. It's also really, really windy, so my camera keeps getting blown around. Well, my phone. But as per usual, thanks for watching. As I say, more content is inbound and some good stuff hopefully. So if you've not subscribed, subscribe now. And yeah, get to see more exciting stuff in the future. Thanks for watching.